How to Babbitt a disc chipper knife. Tools required: leather gloves, face shield, bench vise, ladle, torch, knife gauge with spacers, lead file. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Clothing should be close-fitting and tucked in. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the chipper. All eye protection must be OSHA approved and should consist of safety glasses with side shields, goggles, or a flip-down visor that may be plastic or mesh. Wear a sturdy pair of work pants and a good pair of steel-toed work boots with non-slip soles. Proper fitting gloves are also recommended to protect the worker's hands. Warning: always perform the lockout-tagout procedure before working on your chipper. Serious injury or death could occur if someone accidentally starts the engine. To maintain chip quality and desired size, it is important that you Babbitt your knives after each grinding. Danger: never Babbitt a knife that measures less than 1 inch from the original width. This does not provide enough surface for the knife clamp to properly hold the knife. Failure to follow this instruction may cause excessive damage to the machine and the risk of severe injury or even death to workers in the area. To Babbitt your knives, follow these steps. First, warm the knife gauge, ladle, and all Babbitting hardware with a torch until all moisture is eliminated from the surface of the parts. Moisture will be clearly visible coming out of the steel. Once all moisture is eliminated, place the knife into the Babbitting fixture. Note: be sure the knife gauge is free of contaminants and that the knife is firmly seated to the front of the knife gauge. Finally, bring spacers up to the back of the knife. To heat the Babbitt, follow these steps. Use a bench vise to hold the ladle firmly in place. Then add Babbitt and heat with a torch. Add enough Babbitt to fill the ladle approximately 3/4 full. Once liquefied, dip a toothpick into the Babbitt to determine if the Babbitt is at the correct temperature. If the toothpick comes out darker or burnt brown, your Babbitt is now ready for use. Warning: all parts must be moisture-free. If not, blowback or splatter of molten Babbitt could occur, causing injury to anyone in the area. Slowly pour the Babbitt from the trough side of the ladle until the cavity is filled. Repeat this process until all the Babbitt cavities are filled. After letting the Babbitt cool for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, remove the knife from the Babbitting fixture and place on a table. Finally, file off the excess Babbitt until it does not project beyond the top, bottom, or back side of the knife. This step is extremely important to ensure a proper clamp and eliminate the possibility of a knife slipping out and contacting the anvil. Your knife is now ready for installation. For information on installing your knife, please read the operator's manual or watch How to Change a Knife in this Maintenance Made Easy video series.